Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule, stop in and see what it is I'm up to. It's going on 8 o'clock, Saturday, May 14th, excuse me, 2022. It is 78 degrees Fahrenheit out there, 74% humidity, and 26 degrees Celsius. A lot of geese around here right now, so hopefully they don't disturb you too much. I've been going through stuff and I came across this little toolkit that I put together. Now these little containers, you can usually find them at Dollar Tree. Sometimes find them at Walmart. Dollar Tree usually has them 2 or 3 for $1. Used to anyway. They're a couple dollars at Walmart. But inside here we have, this is a little multi-tool. It's got a flashlight. Not the greatest. It's got a Phillips screwdriver and a small blade. And it has a flat screwdriver and a bottle opener. It's supposed to attach to your keychain. Then I have this little multi-tool. I'm not sure who it's by, but it's just got, you know, your la 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 la. I've been talking all my life. Just some different blades. This one's a file nail thingy, little screwdriver, tiny knife, regular flat-headed screwdriver, tiny saw, another little screwdriver can opener, a tiny little Phillips head screwdriver, and another little blade. Mainly come in handy for those little pliers right there. I think I've actually got another pair in the bag that I've been carrying these in here. There is a thing of razor blades to go with. I thought I had a couple of little screwdrivers. I do, there they are. The razor blades go with this little Gerber folding razor blade, razor knife, money clip. I put a couple of magnets on there just because, you know, sometimes when you're working around someplace and you just need to put it down. I also have these two little pokers in there. One's kind of screw type. The other one's just a poker. So that all pretty much just fits down in here like so. Or it did. There we go. And then that goes on top of it. It actually weighs, I don't know, half a pound, 3/4 of a pound, something like that. Maybe even more. It's pretty hefty actually. So this is probably going to go in the glove compartment instead of in my bag because I don't need that much extra weight in that bag. But there you go. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs down or thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around your social media, that'd be fandoculous. If you want to check me out on Facebook or Instagram, I'll have links in the description box wherever that is on your device of choice. I also have links to similar videos, related videos, unrelated videos. You'll find my email, my snail mail, all that good stuff. So If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know, think about it, let them know you love them. We ain't promised tomorrow, people. We ain't promised our next breath. Until I see y'all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all.